Kalimutan mo na yan, sige maglibang. Huwag ka magpakahibang, dapat ay tawa lang. Problema sa lalaki dapat dininda. Hayaan mo silang maghabol sa'yo, diba? Sabi ko naman sa'yo, lahat yan nagloloko. Pagkatapos kang pakinabangan, biglang lalayo. Kaya huwag na mo ulit pa.
Tonight we have found a website, Peter Answers. It is a website that is, I've done a bit research on it. It has some rituals that says that whatever you ask to him, he'll be able to give you the answer. We'll be asking them a question, but only we both know. And from what we think, Peter Answers, their website might also have a, what do you call this? Pinaka-microphone, no? It might also have a microphone. So, parang camera, something to do with camera and voice detection. Maybe that's how they can hear us, something like that. So we'll be asking them another question that we both won't discuss it about.
Just automated messages.
So you don't believe in it? Guys, what's up? So what happened yesterday, tinatapos ko na sana yung video ko na ipopost ko. And unfortunately, when I woke up this morning to finish up my editing, half of the video, half of the clips was corrupted. So for some reason, hindi na nagpi-play yung mga videos na wala yung ibang clips sa folder ko. Pati sa delete folder wala na dyan. Then, nangyayari talaga yung ganun mga bagay. Hindi natin alam kung ano nangyari. And I'm very sure that there are many vloggers also who have experienced like these types of incidents na hindi sinasadya natin, na walang clips nila, yung magandang content na sana ilalagay nila dyan sa vlog nila, na wala sa YouTube channel. Disappointing naman. Pero, ganun talaga, kung nakamali ka, or may nangyaring hindi tama, kaysa iyakin mo, or kaysa sa maging depressed ka, o sayang, paano ganyan. Magbangon, diba? Magbangon pa tayo, maggawa tayo ng ulit ng bagong video, bagong content para sa inyo. Yan, so, today was my Friday the 13th. Peace.
Thank you.